Hey, what's up everyone? My 2008 Versa is struggling to start. So we're gonna figure out what's causing that problem. So oftentimes the reason it's not starting right is because the mass airflow sensor is dirty. So we're just gonna take a screwdriver here and we're gonna undo these two screws here at the bottom and at the top here. If I can get it in there. All right, so we got the screws out, and what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to disconnect this here. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this with one hand, but we're going to want to disconnect this and then pull our airflow sensor out. All right, with it disconnected, we're going to pull this piece out here, if I can get it. And we're just going to clean this out really good with our mass airflow sensor cleaner. So what we're going to do is we're going to just spray. We're going to spray in here a couple of times, spray in here a couple of times, and on that a couple of times, and then just give it a minute to dry off, and then we'll reassemble everything. Alright, so apparently I have terrible aim when spraying that, but I let it dry off for a couple of minutes and put this back in place, put the screws back in, and we're just gonna slide this connector right back in. Make sure it pops and doesn't come back out. Now, moment of truth, we're gonna find out if that helps at all. All right, so after it initially struggled to start, I drove around for, 5 minutes or so, turned it off and on, and it looks like it's starting pretty good again. Not sputtering or anything, so I think that did the trick. I hope this works for you all. If it does, please hit the like, please hit the subscribe button, and thank you all for watching.